This video will be the first of several videos on the admin program. We're going to talk about root screen and how to get to the other screens. First, you have to start with the splash screen so that you can launch the admin program. I'm going to be talking about the stretched version of the admin program in these videos. So you click on the admin button, and this screen appears. There's not very much on this screen. This little area here tells you the database revision and when this particular program was recompiled. It also tells you here whether it's an Access or a SQL Server database. SQL Server would have two S's on the end of that. And there's a way to display our license. So you can see here that you can scroll down and see the two licenses that we ask people to sign. There's the name of the client sitting here. This is the name that the client gives himself. The illustrations that'll be in this series of videos are for the test database, Dennis and Connie's Cars, which is a fake car lot. You might see one or two of these areas to enter keys in. This first one, which we call the drop dead key, is something that keeps Carousel alive. Since we don't maintain the copy of your database on our servers, everything that you use is on your own server. We need some way to protect ourselves, and so for that, we give you a magic number that will let things go for some period of time. In this case, for DNC Cars, the magic number here, and lets the program run until June of 2021. If you are using the Laser Law contract, there's a separate key for that, and in this case you can see that we're only allowing things to go until 2/1/2021. Every month you're supposed to run the carousel invoice, which will be described in a later video, and send us a check. When we get the check, we will send you the magic numbers. You put in the magic numbers either for Carousel or the Laser Law and hit the submit button. The final thing to see on this screen is the navigation buttons. There are four main groups of screens, and so there will be four main videos for the functions that are available in the admin program. Those functions are utilities, reports, defaults, and tables. There will be individual or perhaps multiple videos on each of those. The next video in this series will be on the utilities set of functions.